Mewa Olivia Kwawa Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. AKT, what is some of the what just said do so no about the Akoto and do so and Asaba. Now, do so since saying that Kofi Bentil and Sammy to the AKT are reacting about to be the money and the Ankomah. Now, what the assembly now and Atuga. Now, Saturday and Sammy now, Mr. Say, so we are subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. What the Albayana say, over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We are video for Frubia, they upload. Also, when Sa can be. I feel we are now like video on my thumbs up. There's a thumbs up. Now, say, what share my awful frost now when you and train I wanted the air course or Ghana memoir. I feel Yonko, and singing. Do songs and semi KT I just said do so bad. Necramity, I may record a year can one do me several times a corner bar and Timothy a year recording nothing I stable amami. Now a year Kofi Bentil at the end to Ghana, and I year do songs and semi amount for ABC and Honsem. And I would Obetro say, my answer to all those asking, this is not doing so. The power issues are bad, but it reminds me of what we went through for years. Just said, yeah, because we did so. Maybe this also be a one or can a court number, a corner back, and now Kofi Bentil just say, me do so. Now, a kind of maybe a Kimuana can no a call off. And no, that you're able to do any who they just say, and Tissa. Or say, no logic can equip them or make me want to give the nation back to the ones who did West. Just said, good one, my activities have to be one crowd and the West, you know. I say, that's it. Please fix this power mess. It is terrible. I could bet in some way I would put to Gano and I KT do a 4 hour test as Akufo-Addo Sabena Mahama to one year demonstration teaching a dictable mountain can simply pray to Bentil Ankomah and then Akufo-Addo Sans Sabena one in Misika one go to me yet. Now 1% a bang by one to be made to be Catananes and yet for another one go to me. And you kitty and fine up at the running water to be money on you, papa. And then, MPP by Akufo-Addo when I did, or say, some coins and with Tibu Mountain, so I demonstration to get by when you did one in our emphasize. And says, you see, one in Nanya, buying tea, when I did one into Casa. And a kitty ATC also, and there were one in that pass out, which is one you big bastard. And yet in some market, Kafa on the a simple breed. Yes, some men who could see a year KT, the reaction I can tell in some of the 2 5 years at phones and seminars out of 1 in summer, 182 it a year KT, in summer, what they at
yeah, air course or Ghana, a doom so. Now, doom saba, whether you like it or not, and Mema Obin Dada will say a year de doom samba, doom saba. And me who sa a year before I came on air, my team posted this in the editorial group, and this is what they posted. And this is a statement from Kofi Bentil. Kofi Bentil, na a year demonstration video na me watch no. Omo nyina ma catch the Ghana for a very long time. I catch them say, "Sa Ankofo na me bo videos see no bo demonstration. Omo nyina ye dwuma wa ban mu." And don't let people fool you and make you think say so we gina kwamu ye de ni ade ka say NDC nya omo no ye demonstration from 2012 13 14 15 omo nyina ye MPP for Kofi Bentil ye MPP ni o Kofi Bentil no infantini aboa te seme ono MPP ni o ye greedy bastard sika ne hia no enti don't sit and say we intellectual. There's nothing like intellectual in this world. Yaka say we intellectual. It does not make you wiser than obia oswaso asebi oswaso nyomo kejetia. Never. Intiana mamma nipebi enche the word intellectually chi na omunda adamu and the muntie Kofi Bentil asem oka sa Kofi Bentil mi bo video sisi a na oye demonstration ti John Mahama ban adentra na osi dum saba na John Mahama ene ne ndis fo no magini omoma enyansafo mra labres ne nko na de na enyansafo mra no mo be Ghana sene be ye Ghana sika sembe kosoro ye nya dum so biom and the Kofi Bentil ene ne nkofo akromfo ne ko demonstration na omugigi sika MPP MPP fo omu intellectual so mama nka bibi nche mo Ghana fo go bia ni Ghana intellectualism ya beduru hanne intellectual bia ni Ghana omu nya is selfish greedy bastard. They don't know what to do again. Omo bra no omo wuse omo bobro omo nyesika politics no benyesika. So they are going to use you and say I am an intellectual. Into the can it make sense than you obwa? Where is Ankomah? Ankomah is not an intellectual. He's a greedy bastard. He needed money. Where is Kofi Bentil? Kofi Bentil is a greedy bastard. He needed money. All the people you saw, they are not better than you. They are not intelligent than you. They are just playing on your conscience because they are two teams say, yeah, they are school B anywhere nyansa. Nyansa ya the school a woman ya cooking kind. Intimate being embo abofia. Let nobody make you feel like say you are stupid because as me TV so cabrofo into one bit magic Ghana. Never. Yeti krome yankase Akufo-Addo a lawyer. Yankaso dim nyansa chen Yankopon. Nana de danko Akufo-Addo with Jimmy Chen toy bia o Ghana. And today we are all seeing it. We know our economy, our everything in Ghana. I say, enti muntie Kofi Bentil. Mi wi amesabo a demonstration na mutia some kind of demonstration. Or say, my answer to all those asking, this is not doomsaw. The power issues are bad, but it reminds me of what we went through for years. Tie de kan wi ameju dwemotwi na una sa ukuta jonso ahwegu no ho sa ankofo no yesu hu omo tuntosi ogu omo so they are despicable human beings. After omo year campaign egi sikade eye Bawumia na Akufo-Addo ba no ende tie na asem ni ye we na mention so these people are selfish, greedy, dirty, filthy individuals. Omo na ma say Ghana into ko anymore say this is not doomsaw. The power issues are bad, but it reminds me of what we went through for years. No logic can equate them or make me want to give the nation back to the ones who did worse. That said, please fix this power mess. It's terrible. Or say, Sesiano, yenyina ye unse dumso aba. Na dumso na aba no. Sebio, yenyina ni mse Akufo-Addo mwejimi. Bawumia mwejimi. Oman ne say, injuma egu. Demonstration okoye ye mrebi no. Obeso kache Ghana for say, emmomi odumsom. Nyoma nkoye ndwuma egu yesika samo say $13 nanso memfa aban no emma NDC adentra also NDC de dum so bae Kofi Bentil so intellectual meboa mebusa Kofi Bentil say enye Bawumia na kwotena eye Joy News ka say Jo Mahama asolve dum so na yentia Kofi Bentil wanyini chairman ni 12 dwene chairman na yenti krom ha and Akufo Jina Parliament, every state of the nation, Eka say there is doomsaw and that he is trying to find solutions to it. But all that statement no make here no. Or say, but it reminds me of what we went through for years. Or catch us Mahamane doomsaw by and kwasia on to me and Kase Akufo-Addo Jimmy. On to me Kasama a Bawumia Jimmy. Or see yen to me for my Emma and this na yen for my wine. Mon share documentary no nie. This is Kofi Bentil.
God give them wisdom.
The police is supposed to be here to protect us and to make sure that this demonstration comes off peacefully. They have constituted themselves into the problem and not the solution. Right now, they are trying to block the roads. No violence.
These highly spirited protesters won't budge. And as you can see, some have decided to sit right in the middle of the road, defiling the orders of the police.
The Ghana police is breaking the law and denying us our right of simple movement. We are moving in one single file, no violence, quietly, going our various ways, and they have blocked the road, as you can see, preventing us from moving. If this was a violent crowd, they would attack the police. The police is supposed to be here to protect us and to make sure that this demonstration comes off peacefully. They have constituted themselves into the problem and not the solution. Right?
These highly spirited protesters won't budge. And as you can see, some have decided to sit right in the middle of the road, defiling the orders of the police.
The Ghana police is breaking the law and denying us our right of simple movement. We are moving in one single file, no violence, quietly, going our various ways, and they have blocked the road, as you can see, preventing us from moving. If this was a violent crowd, they would attack the police. The police is supposed to be here to protect us and to make sure that this demonstration comes off peacefully. They have constituted themselves into the problem and not the solution. Right now, they are trying to block the roads. But of course, we are then going to go and merry-go-rounds with them, because we can't accept the situation that we are going through now.
Where really are we going now?
I think they've kind of blocked us from everything we want to do. So we'll see how we'll find a way to get to our destination.
Okay, when you say your destination, where really mean? Is this to the Flagstaff House?
That should be the destination.
If the police should give us the direction, we'll move. But they are blocking us, so we are finding our own.
What really is happening at the moment?
The police are preventing us from exercising our constitutional right to protest. And we are improvising, that is all.
So what will be the way forward?
I can't tell you the details of it.
Steering the police from doing their duty.
Why is it getting physical at this point?
Nothing seems to work. Our salaries are the same, while everything seems to go downhill. Now the people have come out to protest to the government and asking government to do something, stabilize the currency, stabilize the economy. And what are we meeting? We are meeting the police.
Your Excellency, our concerns in no particular order.
All these people you were seeing in the video, no munika pre. They had been hiding behind intellectualism. We are intellectuals. No munika pre. They were fighting for their stomachs. Some way Jimmy. And they hid behind we are intellectuals. We are fighting for Ghana. They were lying to you. And it's in the Kofi Bentil. We are experiencing the worst economic hardship in Ghana. The worst doomso. Companies are closing down. Yeah, boni patuo. Kwasiato ontumi nkojina bontinye demonstration or to them no or text say I dumso aba momemfa mine ensanhye kwasiafo wensa we omo no Christo som ye time. These are the people who make Christianity. Omo say the religion called Christianity. Because if I want to join Christianity and I'm listening or reasoning or trying to read what this same man who did a demonstration and said things is saying today, nothing will attract me to become a Christian. I am being honest with you. These foolish boys who go Sunday, you see them in church. Ankomah, so we glorify. They are criminals. School. So the idea was that let us go into politics. Let us pretend we are intellectuals. Let us pretend we are neutrals. That is how we will make our money. And that is how documentary are government appointees today. So people like Kofi Bentil, don't listen to them. They are coming back again. The question is, why is he and his group of criminals, political insects, why are they not getting on the street? What is stopping them? Where are the intellectuals? Where are the people who thought of Ghana? Where are the people who said they have read, white, and that we have not been to school? Ye Jimmy, ye Tifie, ye Humbon, ye Niminyansa, ye NDC for, ye Jimmy Mahamanan and Tafo, Awana for, and Ko and Zima for. Where are the intellectuals today? Where are they? The streets are still there. The streets of Accra, they are yearning. They are saying, come, we want you to come and work on us. Why have you people failed to go on the streets? And more, you want me, my respect. My bodam, you are the cause of the death of people in Ghana. And the people we are supposed to blame are filthy, dirty ingrates like Kofi Bentil. They are not truthful. They are political insects.
Yo, therefore, waiting and some year KT can be Taylor, edit to go water to be money. A Kofi Bentil is Akoma, Mahama Pencil, and a demonstration here, and you want to go Montin so a car, one of those seminar, a year apino. Now, by society, and another Kwaku-Addo buy any some food that I want to do. Since I don't know, one of you want to go to move, and the one to buy one in this car, I have to want to move. Just say one in fashion, one I do now do so bad, now your car was say, and you do so in the year expensive, in the apostle ever, then I may have said, any kitty and fine up at any water to be my name on your pa, and several door now, and up to that. Also, waiting actually what then after a year, and so we in our home, I will comment. Now say want subscribe to the channel no so message say or subscribe or no like it na wa share video no ma ofoforo so ebi ahwe mobati nka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.